Look at you, pretending you want success while protecting the same lazy, fearful thinking that's kept you broke and beaten. Don't lie. Your mind is your real enemy. You'll lose every time you try to win with a mind trained to lose. I see you trying to act like you want to win, but your thoughts betray you. You're addicted to comfort, terrified of failure, and you expect to win? You can't even master the battlefield inside your own head. You don't have a winning problem. You have a thinking problem. Don't tell me you want success while you nurse the same excuses that have kept you average. Most will reject this because it's too hard, but those who want to win will listen. Here are 5 mindset principles to think like a winner. Let's count them down. Number 5, control your inner conversation. Your mind is a constant dialogue. The weak fill it with excuses, fear, and self-pity. Winners control it like a weapon. You don't beg your mind to help you, you command it. Replace every doubt with conviction. When your thoughts try to sabotage you, shut them down. Speak your goal. Affirm your power. Refuse to be the victim of your own words. Control your inner conversation, or it will control you. Number 4, demand clarity of purpose. Average minds drift. They have vague goals and wonder why they get vague results. Winners are precise. They write their purpose so clearly it burns in their mind. Don't lie to yourself about what you want. Don't pretend you're confused to avoid commitment. Decide. Define it in detail. Then pursue it so relentlessly there's no room for hesitation. Clarity is the enemy of failure. Number 3, kill doubt with relentless belief. Doubt is poison. Most of you sip it every day and wonder why you're sick with failure. I demand belief so strong it scares even you. Believe in your goal, in your ability, in the inevitability of your success. This isn't blind hope, it's weaponized faith. You don't get what you want. You get what you truly believe is yours. Kill doubt before it kills your dreams. Number 2, act before you're ready. Indecision is cowardice dressed up as caution. Most people wait for certainty that never comes. Winners move. They act before they feel ready. They pull the trigger and figure it out on the way. Planning matters, but perfection is a lie. Stop rehearsing your life and start living it. Success doesn't wait for you to feel comfortable. It rewards the one who moves while others hesitate. Number 1, refuse to negotiate with excuses. Your excuses are lies you've polished to sound reasonable. Winners don't negotiate with them. They destroy them. They hold themselves to a standard so high it breaks the average person. Don't justify your weakness. Don't explain your failures away. Don't make peace with mediocrity. Reject every excuse you've ever told yourself and watch your life transform. The only negotiation you should have is with your goal, how you're going to get it no matter what. Most will hear these 5 principles and do nothing. They'll nod, feel inspired, and then crawl back to their comfortable failure. Don't be most. Pick one of these today and make it law in your life. Burn it into your mind. Repeat it until it's part of who you are. Your mindset is your only real enemy. Beat it or stay beaten. Don't admire these principles. Adopt them. Don't just hear them, live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.